Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a ghost zoom effect on Capcut. So first, you need to add your clip and then just copy it and make one of them as overlay. So it will go like this, and then just trim the overlay to where you want the ghost effects to end. Okay, and then add a keyframe at beginning and also the end of the overlay. And on the last keyframe, zoom in the clip and put the opacity of the clip to 0. Click on the check icon and go in between the keyframes and go to grab. Click on custom and edit it this way. Okay, just click on the check icon and now you are done with that ghost zoom out effect, ghost zoom effect. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, click on the thanks and subscribe. Bye.